Hello, my name is Cassandra Sibial, and I am excited to introduce myself for the operations manager position at your esteemed company. With my extensive experience in business integration, executive management, process development, onboarding, sales, and operations, I have developed a comprehensive skills that set align perfectly with the responsibilities of an operations manager. As an experienced business integrator, I've successfully merged processes and system post-acquisition, ensuring smooth transition and sustained efficiency. My ability to align diverse teams, integrate the new technology has been significantly enhanced performance and productivity. In my role as a business executive, I have led a cross-functional teams to achieve strategic goals, manage budget and driven overall business performance. My strategic vision and my leadership have been crucial steering companies towards growth and profitability. And as my expertise in the business process development has allowed me to design and implement streamlines workflows that optimize resources, utilizes, and minimize operational cost. I am committed and continuous improvement and innovation. I am driving process excellence at every opportunity. I am passionate about operational excellence and I am confident in my ability to contribute to your company's success. I am excited about the opportunity to bring my skills and my expertise to your team and help drive your strategic goals. Thank you for considering my application and I look forward to the possibilities of discussing how my background, skills, and enthusiasm align with the needs of the organization. Thank you for watching and I hope to speak to you soon.